Dear students, in this video I am going to solve exercise 1.2. In that first question, so that the function from r star to r star defined by f of x is equals to 1 by x is 1 1 and on 2, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Is the result true if the domain r star is replaced by n with the codomain being same as a r star? So here the problem is like this. Here they given the function from r star to r star. Here r star is the non-zero real number, means in r star there is no zero, but rest of the elements are exist there except 0. All the numbers are exist in the r star. R star is nothing but it is a non-zero real number, and they given the function f of x is equals to 1 by x, means y is equals to 1 by x, and they asked to show that the function is 1 1 and on 2. We have to prove that 1 1 and on 2. F is 1 1 and on 2, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. And one more thing is here, they asked a question: is the result true if the domain r star is replaced by n with the codomain being same as a r star? Okay, here one small changes after this. If r star in domain r star is replaced by natural number, then the result is same, means, and r star here in codomain r star being same, only the domain is changed, r star is changed to n, is the result is same. They asked a question. Okay, we have to check here first. Given that f of x is equals to 1 by x, here y is equals to f of x. Okay, means y is equals to 1 by x. R star is the set of non-zero real numbers, therefore r star is equals to r minus 0, because we have to remove the 0. The element 0 does not belongs to r star. R star is the set of non-zero real numbers. So as you know, real numbers is nothing but it is the set of rational and irrational numbers. Let us consider the diagram here, graphical representation. So here it is a domain. The elements belongs to this domain r star, because already given r star is the set. So we are going to operate the function on r star in domain as well as in codomain. So here the elements belongs to r star, domain r star are x, the elements belongs to codomain r star are the y. These are the y, these are the x, but all these are the non-zero real numbers, because 0 is not included in this here. The r star, the elements are like this: 1, minus 1, 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 2, minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 6, minus 4, 1.5, 0.5, minus 0.5, because r star except 0, all the real numbers are exist here. Okay, only I written here only few numbers, but there are an infinite number of non-zero real numbers are exist in the r star. Here also I written some only few numbers for examples. Okay, here also 1 minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, up to infinity also, but there is no 0 in domain as well as in codomain, because r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers, except 0 there exist all the real numbers. Okay, so these are the x, these are the y. So we have to prove that this function is a 1 1. So here they given f of x is equals to 1 by x, means y is equals to 1 by x. What happens when x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 1? Because if you put here y is equals to, we have the formula y is equals to, y is equals to 1 by x. Okay, y is equals to 1 by x. When x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 by 1. That is 1 by 1 means 1. When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. Yes. When x is equals to 1, there exists when x is equals to 1 in domain r star, and you get y in a codomain r star. Yes. We get there is an element, there is an image for 1 in there is an image for 1 in r star in codomain. And for x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 1. For x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 1. Because if you put x is equals to minus 1 here, 1 by minus 1, and you get y is equals to minus 1. When x is equals to 2, When x is equals to 2, you get y is equals to 1 by 2. So when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. When x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus 2, you get minus 1 by 2. When x is equals to minus 2, you get y is minus 1 by 2. Like this, for every element of x, there is a y. For every element, for x is equals to 1 by 2, you get y is equals to 2. Because, see here, when x is equals to 1 by 2, if you put the value here, y is equals to 1 by x is 1 by 2, you get 2. For x is equals to 1 by 2, there is a y 2. For x is equals to 1 by 2, there is a y 1 by 2. Similarly, you get the images of all the elements here exist in a domain. Totally, we are coming to the conclusion that here for every element of x in a domain R star, there is a image, there is a y. Y means image in a codomain R star. Therefore, this is a 1, 1. Hence, we have to prove mathematically. See here, I already told you in that video, when f of x1 is equals to f of x2, then function is 1 by x. Therefore, put in place of x, x1, in place of x, x2. 1 by x1 is equals to 1 by x2. Therefore, we get x2 is equals to x1 or x1 is equals to x2. If you prove that x1 is equals to x2, then it is a 1, 1. So, function is a 1, 1. Similarly, for on 2, so here, we have the function y is equals to 1 by x. Okay. If y is equals to 1, see here, y is equals to 1. What is there? Y is equals to 1, x is equals to 1. Yes. For 1, in codomain R star, there is a free image. 1 in domain R star. Okay. Similarly, for y is equals to minus 1, there is a x is equals to minus 1 herein. Okay. Because if you y is equals to 1 by x, if you to y is equals to 1, and that is 1 by x. If you transfer x to here, x is equal to 1x and x is equals to 1. Because here transfer 1 to denominator, you get x is equals to 1. Similarly, you get for every value of y, there is a x in a domain R star. For every value of y in a codomain R star, there is a x in a domain R star. Therefore, the function is on 2. For here, for example, for minus 1 by 2, there is a minus 2. For 1 by 3, there is a 3. Okay, for 1 by 3, there is a 3. Like this. For every element of R star, there is a free image in a codomain R star. There is a x. These are the x, these are the y. Now, we have to prove mathematically on 2 that f of x is equals to y, means y is equals to 1 by x. So, when x is equals to 1 by y, x is equals to 1 by y. Put value of x is equals to 1 by y. Here, 1 by y is equals to x is equals to 1 by y. After simplification, f of 1 by y is equals to y. Therefore, f of x is equals to y. Therefore, f is on 2. So, similarly, they asked, is the result true if the domain R star is replaced by n with the codomain being same as R star? So, that we have to check here. When domain R star is replaced by natural number with codomain same as R star. See here, only we have to replace R star here by the n, but codomain R star is remains as it is. In this case, check whether it is 1, 1 or on 2, like this. They asked like this. Okay. So here, when R star domain is replaced by n, we have the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. But R star is here, it contains the all non-zero real numbers. So that here also, according to the function, y is equals to 1 by x. When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. Okay. When x is equals to, y is equals to 1 by 2 exist here. When x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1 by 3 here exist because, but here not written. So imagine that they exist. Okay. But only I written a few numbers. For x is equals to 3, we get y is equals to 1 by 3. For x is equals to 4, we get 1 by 4. All the elements are belongs to R star. When for every x, there is a y in a R star, codomain R star. for every x in domain n, there is a image in codomain R star. Okay, therefore the function is 1 1. Now we have to check whether this is onto or not. Here for y is equals to 1, there is a x is equals to 1. For y is equals to 1 by 2, we have a x is equals to 2. Okay, for 2 we don't have here 1 by 2. Okay, so that 1 by 2 not belongs to, if you share y is equals to 1 by x. Okay, if you put value is equals to, y is equals to 2, what happens? 1 by x and x is equals to 1 by 2. But x is equals to 1 by 2 does not belongs to n, natural number, because x is equals to 1 by 2 does not belongs to natural number, because here there is no 1 by 2. Therefore for 2 there is no pre-image in n. Similarly other elements also. For 4 there is no free image in n, because if you put x is equals to y is equals to 4, you get x is equals to 1 by 4, but 1 by 4 do not belongs to n. Therefore this is not onto. So onto, what onto says in codomain, for every element in codomain there should be free images in a domain, then only we say that that is a onto function. onto ಅನಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ದಾಗ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 ಫ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು. 1 by 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 by 4 ಇದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದು onto ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. therefore we have fx is equals to 1 by x, y is equals to 1 by x. Therefore for any x in, there exists y in R star. Therefore f is 1 1. For onto, for minus 1 in y, there is no any pre-image in n. For n, say here, for minus 1 there is no free image in n, because we get x is, for when x is y is equals to 1, then x is equals to minus 1, but minus 1 does not belongs to n. So that for minus 1 in y, there is no any pre-image in natural number in domain. So f is not onto. Okay, this is how we can solve the example. Okay, now similarly we have to consider one more example, that is 1.2, the second main question. Second, check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following function. Injectivity means 1 1, surjectivity means onto. We have to check the given functions are 1 1 or onto. Here first one, the function from n to n, natural number to natural numbers. Okay, given by f of x is equals to x square, means y is equals to x square. They given the function f of x is equals to x square, means y is equals to x square. So here it is natural number. We have to connect with the function f. Okay, so the natural number contains 1 2 3 4 5 7. Okay, 5 6 7 etc. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 etc. There are still, because there are infinite numbers of natural numbers. So when x is equals to 1, what we get? X is equals to 1, because 1 square is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, y is equals to also 1. Okay, when x is equals to, y is equals to 4. When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4. When x is equals to 3, y is equals to 9. Here 9 is there. For every value of x, there is a y. For every value of x in domain n, there is a y in a domain codomain n. Therefore this function is 1 1, because if you put x is equals to, so x is equals to 4, we get y is equals to 16. 16 exists because 16 belongs to natural number, but I didn't write here, but you have to imagine that 16 is exist. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಎನ್ದಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ದಾಗ ವಾಯ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಲೆ 4 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 16 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 16 ಎನ್ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಎನ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು 16 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನ 5 ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ 25 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್. 6 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 36 ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದು 1 1 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನ therefore we have to prove it is mathematically f of x1 is equals to x2. So function is x1. x1 square is equals to x2 square. So x1 is equals to x2. Suppose if x1 is equals to square root of x2 square, but we get x plus or minus x2, okay, because square root of x square is x, means x2 square is x2, but only we consider positive here because there is no negative elements in the natural numbers, and since it is a natural number, hence do not contain a negative number, and only we have to take a positive x2. Therefore, x1 is equals to x2. We proved that x1 is equal to x2, then it is a 1, 1. Similarly, on 2, see here, check the on 2. For 2, there is no free image. For 2 in codomain n, there is no x in domain n. Okay, because 2 is not square number of any element. 2 is not a square number of any element, because since it is a square, y is a square number. Y is a square number, but 2 is not a square number. Therefore, for 2, there is no free images. See here, what happens? Y is equals to x square. We have put y is equals to 2, y is equals to 2, 2 is equals to x square. It becomes x is equals to square root 2. But this square root 2 not belongs to n. Therefore, for some of the elements in codomain n, there is no pre-images in domain n. For example, 2, 3, etc. do not have the free images. Hence, it is not on 2. But it is 1, 1, but not on 2. Therefore, for 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, etc. in a codomain, there are no free images in domain n. Therefore, F is not on 2. Okay. Thank you.